Have you tried out the Scrub Daddy dish wand? If you haven't, join me today and I will share with you my thoughts on it and all the places that I use it. So this is the Dish Daddy dish wand, and I am a big fan of all the Scrub Daddy dish sponges. I use them all the time. When I saw the dish wand, I knew I had to get it. So let us try it out together. It gives you the instructions. Clean the bathroom. So what I'm going to use some white vinegar, some washing up liquid. I had completely forgot that I had already put the product inside the wand, and I just went ahead and sprayed. So do not mix products, but it's okay because I think it's just washing up liquid and vinegar, so it should be okay, right? But anyway, I am just gonna clean everywhere in the sink and just try it out and see how well it works in all areas. So this is my toothbrush holder and toothpaste holder that needed a clean. I completely forgot to clean that, and honestly, I think it works well like a normal sponge. It's the only difference currently, I feel like, is just the handle, so it reaches more places. We are now going to tackle the shower. It needs a deep clean. Comes off like that. Like that. So we want to clean in between these lovely discs. Fill off the shower. So this normally does not get a deep clean during the week because I don't have enough time. So when I definitely need to get a deep clean, I am going to normally get my cleaning toothbrush, but I like using the Scrub Daddy, especially with this, because it goes into the grooves or into the corners of this, like the hard to reach areas that I would normally struggle to use, to clean. I would grab my cleaning toothbrush, but I'm liking how this actually can squeeze in and get in there to remove all that buildup. So 10 out of 10 for this. I like that it's actually able to, you know, like the pointy part of it is literally getting into the grooves and getting rid of all that dirt, because like I said, I would normally get my cleaning toothbrush for this. Also, if you want to know what I use to clean the seal of the shower, look on the top right hand corner over here for this video. It will give you an explanation of how I clean the seal of the shower to remove all the buildup. One of the features I like about this, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can, but I'm literally having to press over there, press on the handle, and then the soap comes out. So that's one of my favorite parts about this. Now that is everything completely scrubbed down. I'm just going to rinse everything off. I wish it actually didn't take as much time, but it really did take quite a very long time, because I was also deep cleaning the seal of the shower as well. So I'm so glad it's all over. On to my final thoughts on this wonderful product by Scrub Daddy. My favorite thing about this currently is that it makes cleaning quite easy. I love the handle. This is fantastic for, especially like when I'm cleaning my toothbrush holder, toothpaste holder and stuff. And then you just scrub with the pointy part. You can work downwards. My other favorite feature is the sides, especially like I showed you when I was cleaning the seal of my shower door. Slides in. I don't necessarily have to quickly go grab my cleaning toothbrush to get in those hard to reach areas. So that is a fantastic feature that I like. I love that, you know, it's hard, but it also gets soft when scrubbing, so especially for like glass doors and stuff, fantastic. I also like this spray feature. I'm not sure if it's going to show you because I finished up all the soap. So you just press over here, and then all the soap literally comes out. I think that is awesome, especially like if you're cleaning and you don't want to constantly go back and forth, you know, dip in the soap and stuff like that. So I think having it in this format is awesome. Spray, and then the soap comes out when you need it, as and when you need it. So that is awesome. 100% recommend this. This is going to be a staple in my bathroom now. I absolutely love how fast and efficient it is. It makes cleaning a whole lot faster. Also, if you've got any lime scale building up around like the edges of this, you just use the plastic part and you just scrub it off and it comes off. So I like that part as well. Overall, I do highly recommend, and that is it from me, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You have a lovely day. Bye.